Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Fazul Quran Madrasa. Today's video very special for us. We are celebrating our first semester exam prize giving ceremony and guardians conference. Many students will receive prize for their good result and hard work. Alhamdulillah, we are really happy and proud of them. We hope they will become good students and good human beings in the future, inshallah. Respected teachers, honorable guests, and dear student parents are joining in this program. Education is the most important for every child. I believe good education and good manners can build beautiful future. Please keep me in your prayers for our student, our madrasa. Especially, Alhamdulillah, I'm really feel proud to serve as an English teacher at Fazul Quran Madrasa. I don't want to make it more longer. See you in the next one. Till then, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.